Brought to you by Jays.
Hi, I'm Joel Fleet Brakes, and I've got a great power brake booster option here for 1962-74 GM AFX body cars. This is our complete chrome kit, and it's part number 2L6B4, and it's been designed to mount directly to your factory firewall. Let's take a closer look at the features and components of this kit. You'll get installation instructions complete with step-by-step photos. We've also pre-installed and pre-adjusted the push rod to help make installation easy. In this kit, we use a 7-inch dual diaphragm power booster along with a 1 1/8 inch bore flat top master cylinder. You'll also get the proportioning valve, which is made to work with 4-wheel disc brake applications. We also have several other power booster options available for your classic GM in chrome or zinc plated finishes.
Brought to you by Jays. Fast Delivery, your source for high performance and quality. Delivering performance since 1960. Jays.com.